Now let's do some questions on the textbook. Question is, now can't you calculate the angles marked in each of the figure below? Write them in figure. Let's do the first question.
Look at this figure. Here, two lines are intersecting each other and one of the angle is marked as 45 degree. We have to find all the other three angles. How we will find other three angles? See here, this is a straight line. We are seeing downward. Okay, this is a straight line and here we have two angles. We know that sum of the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. So how we will calculate this angle? We can get it by subtracting this 45 degree from 180 degree, like this. 180 degree minus 45 degree. Answer is 135 degree. So we find only this angle. Okay, we need to find only this angle. We already studied that vertically opposite angles or opposite angles are equal. So here this angle we can directly write it as 135 degree since this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. So here the measurement is 135 degree. What about this angle? This angle is vertically opposite to this angle. So this is 45 degree. This is how we have to find out the angle easily.
Now, page number 12, question number 2. Question is, in each figure, some angles are given. Find all other angles. Let's do the second question.
Look into this figure. Here, two angles are given. This angle is 50 degree and this angle is 70 degree. We know that opposite angles, vertically opposite angles are equal. Here, this line and this line, the two straight line intersect each other and we got two opposite angles, vertically opposite angle. That is, here it is 50 degree, so we can write here this is also 50 degree since it is vertically opposite angles. Now, let's find this angle. How we will find? Yes, these two angles are in a straight line. We know that when two angles are in a straight line, their sum is 180 degree. So we will get this angle by subtracting this 50 degree from 180 degree. So answer is 130 degree. So this angle is 130 degree. Now coming to this angle, see these three angles are in a straight line. So sum of these three angles is 180 degree. So we will get this angle by subtracting these two angles from 180 degree. So let us add these two angles first. 50 degree plus 70 degree. Answer is 120 degree. So we have to subtract this angle, this plus this, from 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 120 degree. Answer is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree.
Next question, page number 12, question number 4.
Look into this figure. Here, one angle is given as 50 degree. We have to find all the other angles. Now look into this angle, see. This line is perpendicular to this line and the angle is given like this. So we can write there it is 90 degree. Clear? Since this line is perpendicular to this line and this angle is given like this, so we can write here 90 degree. Okay, next, the two straight line, one is this and the other is this, is cutting across each other. So this angle is opposite to this angle. This angle is opposite to this angle, so we can write here as same degree, 90 degree, since these two angles are vertically opposite to each other. What about this angle? Yes, this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. These two straight lines cut across each other, intersect each other at this vertex. So we can say that this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. So the measure of this angle is same as this, 50 degree. Now coming to these two angles. Now look here. These three angles are in a straight line and this is 90 degree. Angles on a straight line gives 180 degree. 90 is half of that. So these two angles together will give 90 degree. So we can get this angle by subtracting 50 degree from 90 degree. 90 degree minus 50 degree. Answer is 40 degree. We know that this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. So this will also a 40 degree angle. I hope marking angle is clear to you all.